markets on Amazon. So if you think about Amazon, it's a collection of I think like 40,000 different markets. We looked at the hammer, the jaw hammer market
Hmm.
today,
Hmm.
but you can see how that overlaps with brands, with products in terms of market share historically over time, and you can start overlaying things like pricing changes over time. So typically, we do have large agencies and brands using the enterprise tools and features. Some of the actual biggest Amazon sellers in the world do use these features, so they are very powerful. And yeah, so we will be going into that a little bit deeper
Yeah, there's gonna
on
be an
the.
option also on the pricing page which is in the description to talk to sales. So as there's the button where we can, I believe, schedule a call about the enterprise with the Smart Scout team. Would appreciate if you, the viewer, if you are an enterprise seller or a brand, mention my name once you register. And if ever you're gonna do business with the guys, I'm gonna get a little commission from that. And yeah, that helps me keep my content free. So you can mention my name, Vova Evan, and I'm sure the guys will do well to help and do their best. Thank you. Yeah.
Yep, absolutely. So the way that the enterprise flow works is you click talk to sales and you're taken to a brief survey to help
Mm.
guide the sales team for the call.
Hmm.
And after you fill this out, you'll be taken to a calendar to find a convenient time to book a call. And
Hmm.
that's where you have a box where you could just put in, hey, saw a video on Vova's channel. That will be really helpful for context for our sales team. So
Hmm.
that's
All
the way
right.
that works. And we'll be talking more about it on another video as well.